अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माय सेल्फ सैयदा हेरा फातिमा और आज मैं आपको एक छोटू सा स्टार्टअप करने का विद मिनिमल इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको गाइडेंस दूंगी। आपको एक प्रॉपर स्केड्यूल दूंगी कि वो बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करने होंगे, किस तरह से वो बिज़नेस स्टार्ट हो सकता है, उसमें क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं, क्या की पॉइंट्स हैं। डिसएडवांटेजेस जो मैं बिज़नेस बताने वाली हूँ उसमें कोई नहीं है इतना ख़ास, क्योंकि उसमें ना आपको कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है, ना अपना कोई फिजिकल स्टोर बनाना है जो आपको लॉस का खतरा हो या फिर किसी चीज़ का भी खतरा हो। This video is about the business introduction, the relevance of the dropshipping business to demonstrate the step-by-step guidance, and about market research and their cost analysis, platform selection and design creation, printing process and website setup that needs for this business, the marketing strategies and order fulfillment, customer services and final management. And at the end it provides a scaling up recap for the whole business of dropshipping. Starting with a little introduction about ड्रॉप शिपिंग प्लेटफॉर्म कि ड्रॉप शिपिंग एग्जैक्टली है क्या, प्लेटफॉर्म क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं, क्या सर्विसेज, क्या प्रोडक्ट होते हैं। तो जिनको पता है ऑफ कोर्स उन्हें तो नोहा होगी इस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में, इस बिज़नेस टाइप के बारे में, इस स्टार्टअप के बारे में। पर जिनको नहीं पता उनके लिए छोटा सा सिंपल सा इंट्रोडक्शन सिर्फ ये है कि ड्रॉप शिपिंग एक डिटेल फुलफिलमेंट मेथड है जहाँ एक स्टोर को, आपके ऑनलाइन स्टोर को अपने प्रोडक्ट सेल करने के लिए स्टॉक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, उसको परचेज़ नहीं करना पड़ता। आप बगैर परचेजिंग के वो प्रोडक्ट्स थर्ड पार्टी से, यूजली फ्रॉम अ सप्लायर और अ मैन्युफैक्चरर, वो लेके फिर आगे फॉरवर्ड कर रहे होते टू योर कस्टमर्स, where as a result the seller never sees or handles the product and never face any loss. फिर एक छोटा सा सिंपल सा इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ ड्रॉप शिपिंग. नाउ हियर इज द स्टेप बाय स्टेप ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ हाउ ड्रॉप शिपिंग वर्क. Step to start your dropshipping, you have to set up your store. You have to create an online store using e-commerce platform, for example Shopify or WooCommerce, and this is the platform, this is the online store where you have to showcase your products to your potential customers. Setting up an online store, you have to select the products. The next step is selecting products and listing them. So you choose products to sell from suppliers or wholesalers. These can be found on platforms like AliExpress or Bollo, or through direct arrangements with manufacturers. And listing them is the most important part. You have to choose in products to your online store and set your own prices, which allows you to determine your profit margin too. Next step is of course the customer places an order. A customer visits your online store and places an order for a product. They pay you the retail price that you have set according to you with your profit margin. Now the most important step and the most important part which comes of drop shipping is order processing. Now instead of fulfilling the order yourself and delivering it to the customer, you just have to purchase the product from your chosen supplier and they ship it directly to the customer. There is no part of you in between. You have to contact with the customer and with the supplier just, and you pay the supplier the wholesale price. Order processing. Now instead of fulfilling the order yourself and going for delivering it to the customer, you only have to purchase the product from your choosing supplier and they ship it directly to the customer. What you have paid to the supplier is a wholesale rate, and what you have received from a customer is a retail price of a product. The supplier handles the packaging and shipping of the product directly to the customer. Your store's name and branding may be on the package, or it may be appear to come directly from you, which is good for your online platform and as well as for your profit. Next, here comes the key advantages of drop shipping business or drop shipping startup. सबसे पहले आती है प्रॉफिट की बात, ऑफ कोर्स, which is a very important point for any business or startup. तो सबसे पहले द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रिटेल प्राइस योर कस्टमर पेड एंड द होलसेल प्राइस यू पेड टू द सप्लायर इज योर प्रॉफिट, एंड यू नेवर हैंडल द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट. The next is low initial investment. Since you don't need to invest in inventory upfront and initial costs are relatively low compared to traditional retail models, so you don't have to be worried about the investment and The next one is reduced risk. The risk of unsold inventory is eliminated as you only purchase products when you make a sale. Of course, जब आप कोई और बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हो तो आपको अपने प्रोडक्ट्स लेने पड़ते हैं, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स स्टॉक करने पड़ते हैं, जो सेल हो ना हो कोई गारंटी नहीं दे सकता। पर ड्रॉप शिपिंग में जब आप कोई चीज़ परचेज़ नहीं कर रहे, जब आप कोई चीज़ स्टॉक नहीं कर रहे, तो आपको रिस्क लेने का वो नहीं होता, कोई ख़तरा नहीं होता कि आपको कोई लॉस हो जाएगा, आपको कोई कुछ हो जाएगा। यू जस्ट हैव टू सिंपली इन्वेस्ट नथिंग ऑन दिस। Flexibility and scalability. So it's easy to add or remove products from your store, and you can scale your business without worrying about managing inventory and etc. The next is local independence. You can run a dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection, as you don't need to handle physical products. जो आपको सिर्फ चाहिए ये बिजनेस रन करने के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ a good internet connection that connects you with the customer and with the wholesaler. I'm gonna talk about the challenges of dropshipping. Of course, आप कोई स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, आप कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, तो आपको चैलेंजेस भी फेस करने होंगे थोड़े बहुत। तो इसको हम एज एन डिसएडवांटेजेस तो नहीं काउंट कर सकते, क्योंकि आपको कोई लॉस नहीं हो रहा है, आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है। आपको जस्ट थोड़ा बहुत उस पर अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा, आपको अपना थोड़ा बहुत अपना देना पड़ेगा फॉर योर आउटकम। तो सबसे पहला जो चैलेंज है जो आप फेस कर सकते हैं, जो फेस करना पड़ेगा आई गेस आपको, वो है द लोअर प्रॉफिट मार्जिन. As you are buying products at a wholesale price, profit margins can be lower compared to the models where you purchase in the bulk. But of course, you don't have the loss wali cheese, so you can manage that chota profit margin rather than nothing. The next is dependence on your suppliers. Of course, your reputation relies on the reliability and efficiency of your suppliers. Issues with fulfillment or product quality can affect your business. The next challenge can be the less control over inventory and shipping. Since you don't handle the products, you have less control over inventory levels, packaging and shipping items. So आपको थोड़ा ये know how रखनी पड़ेगी about that wholesaler or the supplier कि वो क्या product भेज रहे हैं, किस पैकेजिंग में भेज रहे हैं, क्योंकि of course आपके हाथ में नहीं है वो चीज़, आपके पास नहीं है वो प्रोडक्ट, वो चीज़ जो आप आगे डिलीवर कर रहे हो। तो यू हैव टू चेक आउट दैट कि आपका जो सप्लायर है, आपका जो होलसेलर है, वो वही सेम प्रोडक्ट आगे आपके कस्टमर को प्रोवाइड कर रहा है या फिर नहीं. Dropshipping can be a viable business model for those who are looking to start an e-commerce venture with minimal upfront investment and without the complexities of managing inventory and logistics. However, success in dropshipping often requires effective marketing, a well-designed website, and strong relationships with reliable suppliers or wholesalers. The next thing I'm going to talk about is how you manage your website, your startup business, what you have to do for your business, for managing your website, for managing your online platform, which is drop shipping. तो आपके पास स्टेप बाय स्टेप टू डू लिस्ट है जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी, जो आपको करना पड़ेगा. The first thing you have to do is a niche selection and market research, which is a very important part. So you have to choose a specific niche or market segment for your drop shipping store. Consider factors such as your interest, market demand, and competition. Conduct through the market research to identify the popular products within your chosen niche. Look for the trends, customer preferences, and potential gaps in the market. The next to do is selecting a reliable supplier and an e-commerce platform. Of course, आप कोई स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हो तो आप उससे जिन लोगों को, जिन प्लेटफॉर्म्स को कनेक्ट करना चाहोगे, वो आपको कंफर्मेशन लेना ज़रूरी है कि वो कोई रिलायबल हो, ट्रस्ट वर्दी सप्लायर्स हों या फिर होलसेलर्स हों. तो फाइंड रेपुटेबल सप्लायर्स और होलसेलर्स हु ऑफर ड्रॉप शिपिंग सर्विसेज. Consider factors like product, quality, shipping items, and reliability. Most importantly, the popular platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Sale who can connect with you as a supplier. Select an e-commerce platform to set up your online store like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. They are the popular choices that integrate well with dropshipping. Next to-do list is to create your online store with the competitive prices, marketing, and branding. ऑफ कोर्स आप कोई भी काम कर रहे हो, आपको बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है ब्रांडिंग, मार्केटिंग और कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले करती है हर काम में, चाहे किसी भी तरह का काम हो, चाहे कोई फिजिकल स्टोर हो, चाहे कोई ऑनलाइन स्टोर हो, चाहे आप कोई सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, चाहे आप कोई प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो। द मार्केटिंग एंड द ब्रांडिंग इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, रेदर इट इज़ अ बिजनेस और anything. So you have to design a user-friendly and visually appealing online store. Use high-quality product images and optimize your site for conversions. Include essential pages such as product pages, or contact pages, and an about us page. Determine your pricing strategy. Consider your product cost, shipping fees, and desired profit margin. Be competitive while maintaining profitability. Develop a marketing plan to drive traffic to your store. Utilize social media, content making, marketing making, and influencer collaborations. Build a brand identity to differentiate yourself in the market and making place for yourself in a market instead of the marketing gap. Offer excellent customer service. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty of your customers. Clearly communicate shipping times, respond promptly to inquiries, and handle returns efficiently. Monitor and adjust. Regularly analyze your sales data, your customer feedbacks and complaints, and website analysis. Adjust your product offerings, marketing strategies, and website based on performance. Scale gradually. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range, optimizing marketing efforts, and exploring additional sales channels. Scaling should be gradual and aligned with your capacity. Legal compliance. Familiarize yourself with local and international e-commerce regulations. Ensure that your dropshipping business complies with legal requirements, including all the tax obligations too. At the end, in conclusion, dropshipping is a compelling e-commerce model that offers entrepreneurs a pathway into the retail landscape with relatively low initial investment and reduced operational complexities. The flexibility to curate a diverse product range and the elimination of the financial risk associated with holding inventory make it an attractive option for those seeking to enter the online business arena. However, the model comes with its challenges, of course, including the lower profit margins, dependence on the reliability of suppliers, and the limited control over inventory and shipping processes. Success in dropshipping demands astute marketing, a well-designed online presence, and diligent management of supplier relationships. While it may not be a one-size-fits-all solution, dropshipping presents a viable opportunity for individuals seeking an lean and agile entry point into the dynamic world of e-commerce. Thank you.